Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. This is a beautiful 2016 Contender 39 ST, which is their center console. The owner of this particular boat had it custom built for himself. He did a lot of upgrades as far as options are concerned. This one also has the Seakeeper gyro, so the owner said that he would never own another boat without it. But as you can see, coaming bolsters all the way around the boat. This one has the ice blue deck as well as ice blue sides to it. And if you can see here underneath our hardtop here, it's also ice blue. Very, very sharp, very easy to take care of. Has huge fish boxes all the way around on both sides. Beautiful coffin box right here. The owner also had custom seats made. It's about $12,000. So these give you storage on each side of it, bench in the back, all custom as far as the hardtop is concerned. And huge Garmin 12-inch screens right here. This one also has the Optimus system. It's kind of like joystick, if you will. The engines work with and against each other for docking. This is going to be the monitor here for your Seakeeper. Boat's got, of course, the twin triple 300s and approximately 120 hours. Fully enclosed head. Underneath here, which is a marine head, has a dockside discharge, overboard discharge, huge fishing area, huge fish boxes. Boat's just super, super nice, very clean. Service is up to date on the motors. This boat cruises comfortably in the neighborhood of 50 to 54. And with good sea conditions, she'll hit anywhere from 68 to 72. So to recap, beautiful Contender 39 ST center console. And again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information on the boat, feel free to give me a call. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.